Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So we need to put about u equals to arcsinhx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we got about dx over the square root of x squared plus 1. Next we have dv, that is about dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to x. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have s, and we have arcsin of s minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration s dx over the square root of s squared plus 1. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to the square root of s squared plus 1. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u du. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s dx. This one, that is about the constant, so we got about 0 in here. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S dx we change by this one. So u divided by u, you got about number 1. The integration of du, we have u and we put about c. About u, we change by this one. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And later that we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.